A bird's-eye view of the Sawyer Providence Farm apartments, rows of apartment buildings framed by parking lots adjacent to a verdant forest. Monument sign in a wall at the entrance, the Sawyer. The apartment home kitchens feature stainless steel appliances, a brick-inspired backsplash, quartz countertops, a gas range with hood, and both white and gray cabinetry. The living area and bedrooms are furnished with expansive windows with blinds. Pathways wind around the premises that accommodate both joggers and cyclists. The clubhouse is fronted by natural brick and clapboard siding. A Peloton bike is installed by windows. The fitness studio is equipped with cardio equipment, lifting machines, punching bags for aspiring boxers, and free weights. A bird's-eye view of the premises reveals manicured lawns and ample outdoor parking. The buildings span 3 stories plus garages. Roadways snake alongside the apartment buildings, which are fronted by sidewalks and rows of trees. The swimming pool features loungers in the pool interspersed with fountains. Folks recline in the lounge chairs that frame the pool. The apartment buildings encircle the pool area. Whole Foods Market is a stone's throw away. A nearby entertainment district offers the Terrace event venue and the CO dining establishment. Shoppers taking a stroll could walk by Scout and Molly's women's apparel shop. At a nearby bar, friends toast glasses of wine. On the corner is the Foxcroft Wine Company, which offers plenty of outdoor seating. Back home at the Sawyer Clubhouse, residents toss balls into the arcade gaming machine. Single-person conference tables are available in private glass-enclosed spaces. 2 friends play a game of pool at the billiards table. The community kitchen features a double-wide refrigerator and other stainless steel appliances, including an island counter. Chefs and residents prepare a cuisine on its long stainless steel tabletop. Later, friends enjoy the hors d'oeuvres together. Out on the patio, they toast their drinks. Logo: the Sawyer Providence Farm.